You don't know who's who.
I don't.
We gotta put different colored hats on them.
Yes, hats would be good. Hi, who are you? Come on, sweetie.
Getting big.
Let's go. Ah.
I know this one.
I can tell from the red. This is Echo.
Beautiful red.
Echo's so pretty. This is Echo. She's a beauty, huh?
She is.
She's so sweet. Such a pretty girl. Such a pretty, pretty girl. Let's see. Echo is, let's see, 72 days old today.
Yeah. You usually get nippy at 70 days.
Yeah. These are special babies. Special.
They're always special.
But these are extra special babies.
The last clutch was very, very nice also.
Very sweet girls. And these guys are all wonderful. Wonderful babies. Very sweet. You're a good girl, huh?
They're just starting to get on the step up.
Yeah.
Starting to perch a little bit.
Yeah. The younger one's not as good as the older ones, obviously.
Now they're a week difference, right?
Almost a week from the youngest to the oldest. Oh, what are you doing down there, huh? What are you doing?
I swear she could do that for hours.
Oh, sweetie. Nice, huh? See if we can show some of her prettiness. There we go. Look at the red.
Oh, yeah, a lot of red.
She's a beauty. Absolute beauty. What are you saying, huh? What's up? Hey. Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah. There you go. Oh, hi. Sweetie. Oh, hi. It's Missy? I think this is Missy.
Okay.
I think this is Missy. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You're a good girl, huh? You're a good baby? Pretty sure that's Missy. She's a heavy bird. She's a big girl. There you go. It's okay.
How old is she?
She would be the youngest, so she is 70 right on the nose.
Yeah.
70 days old. My goodness. What a good girl. What a good girl. You see your brother down there? There's Spotty. Yes, it's Spotty down there.
Ignoring.
He's a big boy.
Looking for seed.
He's searching the grounds. What a big boy he is, huh? He's a good boy. Yes, he is. You're a pretty baby. Yes, you are. Oh, you are. You're so pretty. Wow. You see the mama? You're a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. You want to switch hands? Yeah. Oh, it's okay. I know. What a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Okay, you're a good girl. And the last one is the big boy. Up. 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 That's it. Come on, up. Alright, you let go of the cage. Okay. Here we go.
So come out, man, but you gotta take the cage with it.
I know. That's okay.
He's the oldest.
He is indeed. He's 76 days old.
Yeah.
Come on, hang on. What are you doing? You've got the most awkward hanging on right now that I've ever seen. Okay, okay. He was stepping up real good earlier.
No?
Maybe the other one was Solomon.
Nice going. You don't know your own kids.
I don't.
This is Frank and Lucy and Jeff and John.
Put my glasses on so I can
there
really
you
tell.
go. There you go. you go. Oh my God, I'm holding pigeons.
You know what it is? Solomon and Missy are both big.
Yeah.
And because they don't have all that red on them, it's very hard to tell. This is Missy.
Ah.
That was Solomon.
Okay.
That's why she's kind of awkward.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah, they're that much alike. What do they weigh?
Well, Solomon is 328, and she's 328.
Ah, well there you go.
So
That's
yeah,
why.
no wonder.
You're forgiven.
She's got me in a death grip,
Yeah.
whereas he doesn't do that.
No, he sits very flat.
Yeah.
Well, he's older.
He is much, yeah, he's 6 days older than her. It's okay, sweetie. You can lighten up. It's okay. Mama's got you. Mama's got you. You're not going anywhere. So we played swapsies. Scott's now got Missy.
I haven't held him for a week.
Really?
Yeah, about a week.
I don't think it's been that long.
Yeah. Good baby, aren't you, huh? Good baby. Yeah, pretty quick. We're going to do a step-up routine with you guys. Yeah.
I just felt somebody poking me in the back, and it was Solomon. What are you doing?
He's getting around real good.
Up.
There you
That's
go.
my boy. What a big boy you are, huh? What am I going to do with you now? There you go.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's Solomon. He does step up pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah. You gotta let go. There you go. What a good boy.
Oh, hi, sweetie. How you doing? What a good boy you are. You are such a gorgeous little man. Yes, you are. You are. You're so smart. A good boy.
He is. He's a nice
What
big
a
boy.
good boy. Yeah. Want to try step up? Yeah. Up. Up.
It's your pocket.
Good boy.
Very good.
You're really smart. Yes, you are.
Very smart.
Yeah. Up. 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 This is the first
Very nice.
real night of anything repeated.
Mm-hmm.
What a good boy you are. You are such a...
Yeah, he's doing really good.
Yep. Yeah, well, by this time next week, they'll all be...
Oh, should all be stepping up.
Right. What a big boy you are, huh? What a good boy. Up. Up. Good boy.
Nice.
Good. Yeah. Yeah, so you can trust me.
You want to get Echo out too?
Sure.
And that's Echo.
Want to come up? Up.
Echo's easy to recognize because of her red haunches.
Want to come up? Oh, come on. Here you go. Up. Up. You can do it.
Back her around the cage.
You can do it. Up. Oh, come on, sweetie. All right. Oh, you're a beauty, aren't you? Yes, you are.
She is a beauty.
You're a beauty. Yeah, see, I'm not so bad. I'm not so bad. Yep. It's okay. Yeah. Well, hi. How you doing? How you doing? You good baby? You good baby? Yeah. What a pretty baby you are. Yes, you are. There you go. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. You probably don't want to try a step up a little bit early, wouldn't it? Just a little bit early.
Well, you can try.
Yeah. Want to step up? Up. 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 You can do it. Up. Up.
There you go.
Good girl. That's your first step up.
Good
What a
for
good
you.
Baby. Oh, you're so smart. What a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you
Nice.
are. That was good. Very good. What a good girl. Yeah. Isn't that nice? Nice and comfy? Yeah.
Long neck galoot.
Yeah, they,
A pretty baby, huh?
yeah, she did good.
Did real good.
Smile. Dragging his foot.
Solomon's on the right, sidling up to his sister. Now she pooped
Yeah,
on
I knew
you.
it was coming. Apparently I had a premonition.
Yeah. He's a huge boy, isn't he? He really is
sweetie.
Big boy. What you doing? I think they're getting ready for flights pretty soon. Hey, sweetie.